Crunches feel like the obvious answer. You lie down, you move your body, you feel the burn. So it makes sense to think, this should burn belly fat. But that's not how it works. Crunches strengthen your abdominal muscles. They make your core tighter and stronger. They do not tell your body where to burn fat. Fat loss doesn't happen in one spot. Your body decides where fat leaves first. And for most people, the belly is the last place to change. That's why progress feels invisible. You can build strong abs underneath fat and still never see them. Another truth that gets ignored: crunches burn very few calories. You could do them every day, even hundreds at a time, and still not create enough demand for fat loss. That's where frustration starts. Effort is there, results are not. So what actually works? A flatter stomach comes from full-body signals, not isolated exercises. Your body responds to movement that uses multiple muscles at once. Walking more throughout the day. Short cardio sessions that raise your heart rate. Simple strength work that engages your legs, core, and upper body together. These send a different message. They tell your body to adapt. But movement alone is only part of it. What you eat matters, not perfection, awareness. When intake matches output consistently, fat loss happens naturally over time. Another piece most people underestimate is stress. High stress increases cortisol, and cortisol encourages your body to hold on to belly fat. Poor sleep does the same thing. So even with workouts, if recovery is missing, progress slows down. Here's the real takeaway. Abs don't come from crunches. They come from habits, daily movement, balanced eating, quality sleep, lower stress. Crunches can support the journey, but they are not the solution. When you stop chasing spot fat loss and start building a system your body trusts, change becomes sustainable. If you want simple routines and realistic fitness guidance, follow for fitness that actually works.